Divorce is an emotionally and financially devastating process for those involved. It can have a long-lasting impact on the parties, their children, and other family members. While it sometimes may feel like there is no choice but to file for divorce, there are many alternative dispute resolution (ADR) options available that could help you avoid the process completely or at least lessen its effects on your family. In this video, we will look at some of these different ADR methods and how they can be used as an alternative to filing for divorce. We'll also discuss how men in particular can benefit from exploring their options before making such a big decision that could potentially have lifelong repercussions. When facing a potential divorce, it's important to consider all of your options so that you make the best decision for yourself and your family. You should never feel rushed into filing for divorce without first considering alternative dispute resolution methods such as mediation or collaborative law, which offer couples an opportunity to resolve disputes outside of court with guidance from professional mediators or lawyers who specialize in these types of proceedings. Mediation gives both spouses equal say in the outcome, whereas collaborative law allows each spouse to hire separate lawyers who then work together with them towards reaching mutually agreeable solutions without ever having to go through court proceedings unless necessary. Studies show that when couples use ADR rather than traditional litigation techniques, satisfaction levels increase significantly among both parties, especially men, because they felt more empowered by being able to control the terms of their settlement rather than letting a judge decide what was fair based solely on legal statutes alone. Citation 1. This has been particularly true in countries like Canada, where almost 80% of divorcing couples choose some form of ADR over going straight into court. Citation 2. And recently published survey results out of Australia showed similar results, with nearly 70% choosing mediation instead. Citation 3. The benefits don't just apply in terms involving finances either. Research suggests that when acknowledging shared parenting models during negotiations, fathers were more likely to receive custody rights compared with those relying only on non-negotiated agreements. Citation 4. These findings further demonstrate why it's worthwhile taking time out before deciding whether or not you want to pursue legal action against your partner and explore alternatives before moving forward with separation or filing for divorce petitions. This video does not provide legal, financial, or tax advice. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as legal advice. If you require legal advice, please contact a qualified attorney, for example, by signing up for a free course on our website divorcelaw.pro. We will connect you with pre-selected lawyers or other experts you may need. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at divorcelaw.pro. Consider the long-term effects of divorce, and consider alternative methods of dispute resolution before making any decisions about filing for divorce. Explore all options for informal or voluntary mediation with your spouse to try and reach a mutually beneficial agreement that avoids court proceedings. Before taking legal action, attend counseling sessions together as a couple to determine if there is still room for reconciliation between you and your spouse. If possible, agree on an arrangement whereby both parties can remain in the same home while attempting to negotiate their differences without involving lawyers or courts in the process. Try negotiating directly with each other first before turning to attorneys who specialize in family law litigation and dispute resolution processes such as divorces or separations agreements through mediation services provided by firms or organizations like Collaborative Divorce Canada or National Family Mediation UK. Maintain open communication channels with your partner even during difficult times. This can help avoid misunderstandings when it comes time to draft a legal separation agreement or any related documentation. Restructure debt arrangements so they are more manageable. Financial problems are often at the root of marital strife, so dealing with them early can prevent further issues from arising later on down the line if you do decide on getting divorced eventually. Develop a parenting plan if children are involved, which outlines how custody will be handled after separation/divorce is finalized. This should include things like visitation rights, child support payments, etc., and should also ensure both parents remain actively involved in raising their children despite being no longer married. This could involve joint guardianship, shared physical custody, etc. Familiarize yourself with state laws pertaining specifically to family matters such as marriage dissolution/dissolution of domestic partnerships, alimony/spousal support orders, property divisions, etc. As these vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction across different countries including USA, UK, Australia, and Canada. Respectfully inform everyone, friends and family members included, about what is going on at home regarding marital issues, because information received from outsiders may not always be accurate nor useful when trying to resolve conflicts between couples privately. Instead, focus solely upon finding solutions that work specifically within your own relationship dynamic only. Reach out beyond just immediate circles. Look into resources available online through websites featuring advice columns written by professionals who specialize in helping people navigate divorce proceedings eternally successfully. These sites usually provide up-to-date expert guidance along every step taken during entire process until final settlement reached where applicable to, i.e. One example would be Divorce Source, providing helpful articles written by experienced attorneys. Make sure paperwork prepared correctly and thoroughly prior filing petition seeking formal end marriage. Consult knowledgeable lawyer capable of handling such delicate yet important matters accurately without leaving key details overlooked, since mistakes made here create additional delays once court begins examining case closely. Set realistic expectations based upon the current situation rather than blindly hoping things turn out way imagined beforehand, because sometimes results don't match anticipations, leading to disappointment plus potential extra costs associated with revisiting negotiations, again potentially time consuming too, unless both parties willing compromise some terms agreed upon initially. Remain patient throughout entire process regardless how frustratingly slow it appears become, especially when viewed comparison outside world moving fast around us daily. Take deep breaths, count until 10 whenever necessary, stay focused, objective, aim achieving best result possible given circumstances presented before entering courtroom, first time ever, possibly last, either depending upon outcome, desired ending sought after, ultimately though remains same, peaceful resolution reached, satisfactory manner affecting least amount people negatively over course, negotiated period, days, weeks, months, years, even decades, required complete transaction, fully legally binding document, officially recognized respective jurisdictions worldwide, today, tomorrow, future generations come afterwards, learning lessons passed down, inherited legacy ours leave behind. Before making any life-changing decisions related around marriage dissolution, always take advantage of all available resources, including alternative dispute resolution services if appropriate, as this option provides opportunity, providing both sides equal power regarding negotiations while avoiding unnecessary courtroom battles, keeping costs down along facilitating better communication between two sides, while ultimately preserving strong relationships within families across US, UK, Australia, and Canada. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at divorcelaw.pro.